Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the yacht and boat spotter channel.
That's why. Okay, then over the back part, right back to this one. This one's gonna be fun. And you guys are gonna have to what everybody sees, we're inside the boat right now. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I'm alright. I think this person wins. They did the best job. There's a laptop right here showing you what everybody sees live. We're inside the boat right now. That's why. Okay, they're all over the back. To see every single thing coming by here up close and personal. And then right after this, we go to the yacht. Very clear. We're gonna follow it and go right back to the smaller boat. Cuts like a
Well guys, another video from Haulover Inlet. I hope you liked it. So remember that you can see live content on the weekends narrated by Joseph Levy. So if you like the channel, you like the videos, then please give us a thumbs up. Always leave a comment below, and if you can, ring the notification bell so you'll be notified of all our upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on our next video. Take care.